Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have super exciting unboxing. Yes, it is my brand new Chanel handbag, which I purchased from Chanel boutique in New York City. This is going to be a true unboxing because I just literally opened the box. I had it shipped to me. I spent the last 2 weeks on the East Coast with my boys. We went to Washington DC, we went to New York City, and we had the best time ever. And yes, we did some shopping in New York City, and since I purchased this bag and I didn't want to take it with me on the plane and, you know, just drag it around, I asked them to ship it to me. Did I plan to buy Chanel bag? Yes and no. I went to the boutique to see a completely different bag. There was like 2 bags that I was looking at. I didn't even know the prices of those bags, but let me tell you, Chanel is just going overboard with their prices. So I think I said it before that I will never buy a brand new bag again, and I broke my own promise. But I'm gonna say again, I don't think I will ever buy a new bag because it's just ridiculous. The prices are ridiculous, and this is not even like a classic. I wasn't looking for the classic. So let me show you what I have. We're gonna do a true unboxing. This is a beautiful camellia. I tried this bag on the, you know, at the store, and then she went downstairs and of course she brought me a brand new one. And yeah, I just asked them to ship it to me because this is just so much easier. So anyway, this is a beautiful box, and we're gonna see it together. We're gonna see it together, guys. So it's all, let me just undo that sticker. They package it pretty nicely. So obviously there's a lot of tissue papers. Here it is. Okay, so the bag is here. Is there anything else in the box? No, that's it. So there's just a lot of tissue paper. So let me put this away. As you can probably tell, this is not a very big bag because I was looking at the small bag, and I'll explain myself, but let's just see it together first because I am curious. It's been almost a week since I saw it, so let me see. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Ta-da! Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at this. Okay, let me see. There's still plastic everywhere and a little protection. Oh, you guys, this is the bag I picked up in New York City, and I don't even know the name of this bag. I'm gonna look at the receipt and just tell you, but let me just undo the paper first and then we'll talk. This is the bag, you guys, I purchased in New York. This is obviously a small handbag or evening handbag, or like, for me, I wanted just to have a little Chanel black bag that would fit more than my wallet on chain, which we'll talk about this in just a second, and something that I can just, you know, use it basically to go out as well as just use it on every day if I just need a little bag. And I thought this one was perfect, but like I mentioned earlier, I went to buy and to see a completely different bag. Like, she pulled this one from, I don't know, under the little closet that they have, and she just gave me a little options, and I just fell in love with this beautiful bag. And obviously it features like very pretty chain, you know, the typical Chanel chain around, and has a very nice and long strap, which of course you can just double it and have it shoulder, but it sits perfectly as a crossbody. I like the fact that there is like the leather piece, which sits very nice. Like, wallet on a chain doesn't have it, and I think it just sits very nicely, you know, on me. And yeah, the hardware still have a plastic sticker, so I still didn't remove it. But obviously it's all like quilted, but this is not a puffy quilted. She said this was a lambskin, but I don't know if you guys can tell, this lambskin is not the same as a lambskin that has that is on the classic flap, but this is like a super smooth lambskin. And this one has like a little there is like a little texture to it. So it's not like one of those super smooth lambskin. This one just has like a very little texture. I don't know how to really call it, but yeah, this is how it looks on the bottom. And obviously the detail, the chain goes around the back as well, is on the sides, and it smells incredible. Let me show you inside. So obviously it has a little turn lock, and there is some padding. So let me take this. There we go. It's pretty plain inside. There's just a little slip pocket, but because it's pretty flexible, it fits a lot more than my wallet on chain. So with that being said, I was thinking, you guys, to and by the way, this one is microchipped, so there's no card. So yeah, I mean, I absolutely love this bag. I fell in love immediately when I saw this. I went check out, I think it's called like a pochette. I'm gonna include a picture so you guys can see it. I was trying on the beige one, which was really nice, but I wanted a black and a caviar leather. The beige was like this very smooth lambskin, which was nice again, but this wasn't something that I wanted to buy. And then I also tried a bigger, kind of like a classic flap with this beautiful, beautiful chain. But the problem, it was a little bit too short wearing crossbody, and I really wanted something that I could wear on the shoulder as well as crossbody. It just sat a little bit higher on me, like it was not as comfortable like as this one. Yes, it was bigger at the same time, but I don't know, I just felt like this one with that little chain, it was just like a little bit more special. And yeah, so ultimately I went for this one. What is the name of this? There's the name? It's from 25S collection. It just said small flap bag. So this is all the information. There's no specific name to it. She included the tag, obviously, with the receipt. And like I said, I purchased this at the Chanel Soho boutique, and I'm so glad that I went there, because other Chanel stores were like crazy busy, you know, at the Bloomingdale's or the Bergdorf Goodman. I mean, it was just like so busy, and I felt so bad because I went to the Soho boutique quite like unexpectedly on that day. I didn't plan to go on that day, but we just were in the area. 6:15, and they were closing at 7. She stayed with me until almost like 7:30, you know, because I was just picking those bags. And my sales associate, she was like the most nicest woman ever. So she was so patient, and she was just so nice. So yeah, you guys, I end up getting this beauty, which I'm very excited, and I'm gonna take this probably to Poland. My brother's getting married, and I'm traveling in 2 weeks. So you guys, this is just a comparison. Like, it looks like the bags are pretty like similar in size, but this one fits so much more just because it's more flexible. And this one has, you know, obviously all the compartments. So it's just, yeah, this one's just slightly bigger, but it fits so much more. So with that being said, you guys, I am thinking to sell this one, a full set. I used it twice to church. One, it was for the graduation mass of my 8th grader, and the second one just like a Sunday mass. So this bag is basically brand new. It's a caviar leather with gold hardware. If anybody's interested, shoot me an email. It's in the description box. This bag is very difficult to get. I know, it's not always available. And like I said, it's brand new. See, I still have the little credit card inserts, because I literally, like, I took it for 2 hours, like, you know, at 2 occasions. So yeah, I'm thinking, I don't know, should I hold it? Should I hold on to it? There's still stickers, you know, in here. Like I said, it's just brand new, but I feel like I'm gonna use this one instead of that. So I don't see the point of holding on to it. So if anybody is looking to buy walk, just let me know. Send me an email, but please, like, serious people, just don't I'm gonna put the price of the walk in the description box. So if you want to buy it, just email me. But it will have to be very quick because I'm leaving for Poland, so I can ship it to you before I go. So yeah, I don't know, or maybe I should hold it. But anyway, if someone is interested, let me know. Yes. So this is it, you guys. So I am gonna enjoy my new bag. I'm gonna try to probably take it this weekend to church, because I like to take my bags first to church to kind of bless them a little bit. So yes, I'm very, very happy. Yes, it was ridiculously expensive, and that's what I'm not happy about. That's why I'm saying I'm not probably gonna buy any new bag anymore, because I think I have plenty, and I still should sell quite a bit. I'm thinking to sell my Reissue 227, Chanel Reissue 227, in very good condition. And the Reissue comes with a white box, because it was bought at the Rue Cambon in Paris. So I'm thinking to sell the Reissue, and I'm thinking also to sell the tote, the boucle tote, which I have the, because I almost never use that. What's the point of holding on to it? So yeah, I would like to really scale down my collection and keep only the pieces that I'm truly using and truly, you know, something that works for my lifestyle. So yeah, oh, Deauville tote, that's what it's called. So I'm thinking to sell the blue Deauville tote, and mine is in a size, I think it's a smaller medium. It's with the long straps. Again, if someone is interested, just send me an email. And probably the Reissue, because I never use it. I bought it pre-owned. It's in very good condition, but I almost never use it. So yeah, I need to scale down because I have just too many, and there's just no point of holding it to it. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. I'll be doing definitely some more shopping. Like I said, I'm going to Poland, and I will be in London for 4 days as well. We're taking like a little trip with my sister. It's only an hour and a half flight from Poland to London. So I'm going to the Bicester Village. The famous Bicester Village, you guys. I am so excited, you have no idea. I don't know if we find something. It's a big outlet place in London, or like suburbs of London. I'm super excited about it. So we'll see if there is any luck, if I'm gonna have any luck with anything. So yeah, that's my plan. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Obviously don't forget to leave me a comment, give it a thumbs up, let me know what you think about this new bag. I'm super excited. So happy. Alright guys, I hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.